Hi guys, welcome to Tony Ben's mathematics tutorials. Today we'll be looking at conjugate of a binomial sword. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Let us look at conjugate of a binomial sword. First, what is a conjugate? Conjugate, a sword, two swords are said to be conjugate of each other. Example, the square root of a minus square root of b is said to be conjugate of square root of a plus square root of b if their products produce a difference of 2 square. If their products produce a difference of 2 square, what do I mean by difference of 2 square? When we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b bracket a plus b. Okay, this is a difference of 2 square, such a way that if you expand, a times a will have what? A square. A times b will have plus ab, minus b times a will have minus ab, then minus times plus will have minus, then b times b will have b square. And this is same thing as this go with this, we have a square minus b square. So this is what I mean by what? This is what I mean by what? Difference of 2 square. And we said two swords are said to be conjugate of each other when their product produce what? A difference of what? 2 square. Like this guy, square root of a minus square root of b is equals to square root of a plus square root of b. They are conjugate of each other. Okay, let's check. Let's check their product. Square root of a plus square root of b. Let's check if it will produce a difference of 2 square. Times square root of a minus square root of what? B. Okay, square root of a times square root of a. This is something as square root of a square. Square root of a times square root of b. That is minus square root of a b, and square root of b times square root of a will have plus square root of a b minus, plus times minus is minus, square root of b times square root of b will have square root of b all square. So this guy, take care of this. What do we have? Square root of a square minus square root of b square, and this guy is equals to a, this guy and this guy minus b. So it produces what? A difference of 2 square. Let us look at other examples. Examples. So they said give the conjugate of the following binomial swords. Number one, we have 3 plus root of 2. Number two, we have 7 minus root of 5. We have number 3, we have root 5 plus root of 6. Number 4, we have root 3 minus root of 8, and number 5, we have 4 minus root of 2. Let us find the conjugate of this sword, and we should check. After finding the conjugate of this sword, let's check if it produces what? A difference of 2 square. Okay, the conjugate of this sword is what? 3 minus root of 2. And the conjugate of this sword is 7 plus root of what? 5. The conjugate of this sword is root 5 minus root of what? 6. And the conjugate of this sword is root 3 plus root of what? 8. The conjugate of this sword is 4 plus root of 2. Now let's check let's check if their product, will produce what? A difference of 2 square. From the first answer, we have 3 plus what? I told you guys product means multiplication. 3 plus root of what? 2. 3 minus root of what? 2. What do we have? 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. Or let's say 3 square. Let's say 3 square there. 3 times minus 2 have 2 minus 3 root 2. Are you following? And we have root 2 times this guy, we have plus 3 root 2. Plus times minus is minus. Root 2 times root 2 have root of 2 square. And the same thing as this guy, will take care of this. We have 3 square minus root 2 square. So it produced what? A difference of what? 2 squares. It produced a difference of 2 squares. Let's check the second example. We have 7 minus root of 5 bracket is equal, open bracket, 7 plus the root of 5. I will say their products must produce what? A difference of what? 2 square, because they are conjugate of what? Each other. So this is what we have. 7 times 7 have 7 square plus 7 times root 5 have 7 root 5 minus root 5 times 7 have minus 7 root 5. Minus times minus is plus, then square root of 5 times square root of 5 has square root of 5 all square. So this guy will take care of this guy. What do we have? We have 7 square plus root of 5 square. So it produces a difference of what? 2 squares. So let's look at the third example. We have the root of 5 plus root of 6. And we have root of 5 minus root of 6. Let us check if their product will produce a difference of 2 square. We have root of 5 times root of 5, we have root of 5 square. Now root of 5 times root of minus, you have minus root 5 times 6 is what? 30. Now we have plus root 6 times root 5, we have plus root what? 30. Plus times minus is how we have minus root 6 times root 6, we have root of 6 square. Are you following? This guy will take care of what? This guy will have the square root of 5 square minus the square root of 6 square. It produces what? A difference of what? 2 square. Now let's check the fourth example. We have root of 3, like a root of 3 minus root of 8, multiplying root of 3 plus root of what? 8. So root of 3 times root of 3 will have root of 3 all square, and root of 3 times root of 8 will have, this is plus root of 24. Now minus times plus is what? Minus root of 8 times root of 3 will have root of 24, and minus times plus will have what? Minus root of 8 times root of 8 will have root of 8 all square. Are you following? This guy will take care of this guy. We have what? The square root of 3 all square minus the square root of what? 8 all square. So it produces what? A difference of 2 square. So check, I'll leave this one for you to check. Please, if you find this video interesting, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel for more mathematics tutorial video. Thank you. Don't forget, this is Tony Ben's mathematics tutorial.